little artists! Today, we're going to dive into the world of makeup and create some beautiful lips with a makeup set. Let's get started and bring some glam to our drawing session. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your trusty black marker and let's begin by drawing a pair of lips. These will be the canvas for our makeup artistry. Take your time and carefully sketch out the shape of the lips.
Wow!
Now, let's add some fun makeup tools to our drawing. Draw a small lip gel bottle next to the lips, and don't forget to add a cute star shape on top of the bottle. This will be our finishing touch for the lips.
Cool!
Once we've finished our drawing, let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker. This will make our artwork stand out and give it a polished look. Ready to bring some color into the mix? Get ready to add some rainbow magic to our lips. Grab your color pens and let's start coloring. As we color, let's name each color we use. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Now paint the lower lip with pink color. Now, let's add some extra flair to the lower lip. Draw some stars, circles, and dots to decorate it. And then color them in with our color pens. Let your imagination run wild and make those lips shine.
Cool!
Don't forget about our cute lip gel bottle. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Fantastic job, little artists! You've created a stunning masterpiece with lips and makeup tools, filled with vibrant colors and creative designs. Keep exploring your artistic talents and have fun with your drawings. Until next time, happy coloring! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.